morning, first one of the day, new client with his lovely little Honda CB500X. This is in for one of our full Monty valets with corrosion protection. Doesn't look like it has been properly cleaned in some time. Just remove that belly pan so as to get access to that exhaust. We'll get all that polished up, get some corrosion protection on it, get it looking like it should for the summer ahead. Lots of little bits of rust appearing here and there. We shall sort all that out, get all this old gritty chain lube off, and get all that re-lubed back up. Give me a couple of hours. Watch this space. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This Honda has been fully trotted. This has had one of our legendary Trot Full Monty valets. Polished up all that exhaust, sorted out all these wheels, painted a few rusty bits and pieces. Everything's got XCP corrosion protection. All the exhaust has all been minted up. I even put a bit of satin black on those wheels where they were all chipped. Chains all been serviced, re-lubed, painted the center side stands, took the windscreen off, polished that. All done, 3 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction guaranteed. 07966 249 963.